Hi, my name is Britt Ramjet, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I kind of got this very like voluminous straight hair, almost like blowout feel type of look, using this BeKind straightener tool hairbrush. Very easy. This honestly would have taken me 5 minutes if I wasn't giving a tutorial, so I really like the final look of it, and let's get into the tutorial. So we're gonna open this package first. So it comes with all these cool attachments: glove, comb, some like hair bobby pins. I think these are like elastics, like hair ties, and then some like styling. What is this, a scrunchie? Is that unclipped? Oh my god, it's a scrunchie! I love scrunchies. Okay. And then obviously this little bag that you can actually put this guy in when you travel, which is great because I travel all the time. Now I'm just gonna plug it in so it heats up. And then to turn it on, you like press and hold down this button, and then the numbers actually show up right there. So I'm gonna put it to, I'll do like 275. And then you just leave it. And it'll come up with LOC, which means that's like locked in. So while that heats up, I'm gonna get my hair ready. So this is just my natural hair. It's very wavy and crazy. So usually what I like to do is section it off like top and bottom. So we're gonna start up here, and my hair is very thick, so I'm actually gonna use this scrunchie to hold it. So cute. And then I just brush it out. If you have heat protectant too, this is when you would put that on. I just use the Tresemme. So yeah, hopefully you can see this, but my hair just needs to be tamed a little bit. So we're gonna start with one section here. Let's make sure this is, yep, good to go. You can definitely feel a heat on that. I did a lower heat because, and so literally I'm just going to brush through this. Oh wow. I feel like you could even do bigger chunks with this because it's literally a brush. Usually my hair is so thick that I have to separate it, but with this, just do it all at once. Wow, nice and easy. Wow, I really like how this is turning out. I like it because it's not like pin straight. I feel like pin straight is like out, like that's like not a look anymore. So it kind of gives almost like a blowout feel, which I feel like is very in right now. I love the blowout look. I'm sure you could even probably style it too, like kind of curl the piece almost. Not curl, you know what I mean? Like give it that like, yeah, see, it kind of gave a little loop there. Okay, on to the next side. Bottom half is done. Now we're gonna move on to the top half. So now I separated out my top section. I just put that side in the scrunchie, and then I already sprayed it and brushed my hair. So we are good to go. And I'm just gonna do the same thing up here. So I'm really just focusing on individual pieces right now. And then at the end, I will kind of do them all together. Okay, so now I'm just going kind of just brushing it through everything. I have to say I really like how it looks. It gives like this very like subtle blowout kind of feel. Like it's not super straight, and I just love the fact that you can do such big pieces of hair, especially because I have so much of it. I'm gonna try on the other side too, doing a little bit higher temperature to see if that, if I can do it quicker. Because I feel like 275, what is it? Yeah, that's not super hot. So I think I can go up a bit. I'm obsessed. So you guys can see like comparison. So this is like natural. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it is pretty frizzy. And this is the side that I did. So it's just very like, you know, obviously it's straight, but it's not like I usually have always straightened my hair and it's pin straight. But this is like a very natural, kind of like effortless straight, which I am really liking. And again, I'm sure like you can play with it a bit more too and like get even more volume if you wanted to. But yeah, so now we're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. I am going to turn this up a bit. Let's do like 345. We'll try that. So it's just heating up right now, and then it will lock in place again. It heats up pretty quickly too. So yeah, in the meantime, I'm just going to do all this stuff to protect it. She's ready to go. Yeah, having the heat up is definitely making this go by a lot quicker. Like I'm basically running the brush through strands of hair like 2 or 3 times, whereas on this side, it was like 5 or 6 times. So basically cutting the time down in half. Like I could probably do my whole head in honestly 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this side took so much faster. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of go around my head, make sure I haven't missed anything, and then we're good to go. Okay, this is the final product. I have to say I'm very happy with how this looks. Again, as I was saying, it's just like a super kind of natural, you know, I still have like volume in my hair, which I like, and obviously I have these like shorter bangs too, which I feel like this kind of helped give it that extra volume. But overall, I'm super happy with it. So cute! Ah, I love it. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy, and I hope you can try this on yourself.